Wadoke County ma Migori, MCS mawuok e gwenge mag Nyatike County ma Migori dwaro ni tend county no many yore mag tieko midhiero ma pi kod chiemo ma okwako gwengego. MCS go dwaro ni tend county okuny yawo mabiro konyo jopiny yudo pi e gwenge manigi oro. Giywak ni chiemb kony michiwo gi ji ma chunygi ng'won kata samaria mang'won en mano mar reso jopiny e kinde ni to ok onyal konyo tieko midhiero ma kamano.
It's regrettable that we've been going through famine, and the weather has also been so frustrating. We've been going through drought, but I want to thank God because the rains have started. I also want to thank the national government for the food that they donated, and appreciate and ask that the established commission that is being set up to look for donations and support in famine and drought should not close their eyes towards Migori, because Migori also is suffering equally just like the other parts of the country.
So we're only urging that if possible, that we extend the irrigation to other areas, especially in the Aneko and other areas of Grachola, so that we can do other crops. Then we can have enough that can sustain us. But still, we're only praying that the county government can do so many through the water department and also the agriculture department, can do as the water pans, which can help us in the small households to do the subsistence agriculture.
Tungeomba kwamba serikali izidi kutukumbuka, ituchimbie mabwawa yenye hata mifugo zetu watakuwa wanapata maji. Na tungeomba kwamba serikali yetu ya county ishikane na serikali ya juu ya kitaifa, watukumbuke hapa chini katika huu